Ever wonder why that humble box of baking soda in your kitchen could be one of the most powerful health allies you've been overlooking? What if I told you scientists have discovered it can do everything from boosting your athletic performance to potentially fighting cancer? Hi there! That box of sodium bicarbonate sitting in your pantry isn't just for baking cookies or deodorizing your fridge. Research shows it's packed with remarkable health benefits that might just change your life. Let's dive into 6 scientifically proven ways baking soda can improve your health. First up, athletic performance. Did you know elite athletes use baking soda to push past their limits? A comprehensive meta-analysis published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism found that taking baking soda before intense exercise can improve performance by nearly 2%. That's because it neutralizes lactic acid buildup in your muscles, letting you work out harder and longer. Next time you're heading to the gym, consider this science-backed hack. Second, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. When researchers at Augusta University Medical Center tested baking soda's effects on the immune system, they discovered something remarkable. It signals mesothelial cells to calm inflammatory responses. This could be life-changing for people with inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Imagine reducing chronic pain with something so simple and affordable. Third benefit, it can transform your oral health. Studies in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry have confirmed that toothpaste containing baking soda removes plaque more effectively than non-baking soda toothpastes. But here's what most people don't know. It also neutralizes acids that cause cavities and can even whiten your teeth naturally by removing surface stains. Why pay for expensive treatments when this solution costs pennies? Fourth, it balances your body's pH levels. When researchers at the Royal London Hospital studied baking soda's effects on kidney patients, they found it helped neutralize acid in the bloodstream, potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease. This pH balancing effect might explain why so many people report increased energy and better overall health when incorporating small amounts of baking soda into their daily routine. Fifth, and this might surprise you, baking soda shows promising potential in cancer treatment support. Scientists at Ludwig Cancer Research discovered that baking soda can alter the tumor microenvironment, making it less acidic and potentially more responsive to treatments. While it's not a cure, this groundbreaking research suggests it might enhance the effectiveness of conventional cancer therapies. And finally, it's a natural remedy for acid reflux and heartburn. A study in the Mayo Clinic Proceedings showed that baking soda can rapidly neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from painful symptoms. Unlike many over-the-counter medications, it works immediately and doesn't come with a long list of potential side effects. Isn't it amazing that something so common could have such profound effects on your health? From boosting athletic performance to supporting cancer treatments, that simple box of baking soda might be the most underrated health tool in your home. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and share with someone who could benefit from these science-backed insights. Subscribe to our channel for more surprising health discoveries that can transform your well-being. Remember, sometimes the most powerful solutions are also the simplest.